This video will show you how to fix Microsoft Clipchamp crashing issues. If your Clipchamp keeps closing, freezing, or not responding, it means the app is having trouble running on your system. These crashes can stop your video editing and make working with Clipchamp very frustrating. In this video, I will show every method to solve this problem step by step. We will check for app updates, clear corrupted cache files, update your Windows system, and make sure your graphics drivers are working properly. I will also show how to reinstall Clipchamp safely so it works without crashing. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use Clipchamp smoothly without unexpected crashes or freezes. Stay with me, because these fixes are simple and anyone can follow them to get Clipchamp running perfectly again.